Xpon stock analysis. Expion has experienced extreme volatility with a massive surge on August 14th. Starting at 0.95 on May 16th, it traded mostly below 1.00 until July 18th when it spiked to 1.58 on huge volume. After declining, it began climbing in early August, reaching 1.31 on August 13th before exploding to 5.50 on August 14th intraday high before closing at 2.02. This represents a 320% single-day gain on unprecedented volume. Price volume analysis shows the defining feature is the unprecedented volume on August 14th with 388.2 million shares, accompanying the massive price surge from 1.20 to 2.02 intraday. Previous high-volume days include July 18th with 54.4 million and August 13th with 17.1 million, which also saw significant price moves. The current price action suggests a potential trend reversal after months of decline. Moving averages show the current price of 2.02 has just crossed above key short-term averages with SMA 5 at 1.35, EMA 5 at 1.48, SMA 10 at 1.24, and EMA 10 at 1.34. It remains below some longer-term averages including SMA 20 at 1.30, EMA 20 at 1.25, SMA 50 at 1.07, EMA 50 at 1.13, SMA 200 at 1.50, and EMA 200 at 1.54. This positioning suggests a potential short-term bullish reversal within a longer-term downtrend. Technical indicators by group show momentum indicators with MACD at 0.10, MACD signal at 0.06, MACD histogram at 0.04, and momentum 10 at 0.85, indicating positive momentum. Overbought oversold indicators include RSI 14 at 79.94, Williams A 14 at -78.73, MFI 14 at 99.91, Stochastic K15 at 23.95, and Stochastic RSI at 100.00, showing mixed signals with some extremely overbought readings. Volatility indicators show Bollinger Bands with upper at 174, middle at 130, lower at 0.87, and ATR 14 at 0.40. Trend indicators include ADX 14 at 33.72, Arun up at 100.0, Arun down at 20.0, and Arun oscillator at 28.57, indicating a strong bullish trend. Volume indicators show VWAP at 292, Chaikin oscillator at -112.3 million, and OBV at 473.7 million, giving mixed signals. Linear regression analysis shows a flat trend over the past 3 months due to extreme volatility. However, the recent surge has created a steep upward slope in the short-term regression line. The long-term regression remains flat, suggesting the stock is still in a consolidation phase despite recent gains. For the next trading day opening forecast, given the massive surge and extreme overbought conditions, the next opening could see significant volatility around 190 to 210. The TSF indicator at 138 suggests potential mean reversion, but the strong momentum may support higher prices. Resistance and support analysis identifies key resistance levels at 250, 300, and 550, while key support levels are at 150, 120, and 100. Current price at 202 is 0.48 below nearest resistance and 0.52 above nearest support. The proximity to support after a massive gain suggests potential for consolidation. Intraday ATR base projections with ATR at 0.40 suggest a projected high of 242 and projected low of 162. This indicates a potential intraday range of 162 to 242, with the most probable movement between 170 and 220. Possible scenarios include a bullish scenario where continuation of the surge toward 250 resistance could occur, especially if volume remains high, supported by strong MACD and a Arun up signal. A bearish scenario could see profit taking after the massive gain leading to a pullback toward 150 support, favored by extremely overbought conditions and negative Chaikin oscillator. A neutral scenario of consolidation between 150 and 250 as the market digests the recent volatility is supported by mixed signals from oscillators. In conclusion, Xpon has experienced a dramatic surge on unprecedented volume, potentially signaling a trend reversal. Technical indicators are mixed with strong momentum but extreme overbought conditions. The stock faces significant resistance at 250, while 150 provides key support. Traders should watch for follow-through buying to confirm the reversal, but be prepared for extreme volatility. Given the unprecedented volume and price move, this stock requires very careful risk management with tight stops. The negative Chaikin oscillator despite price gains is a concern that warrants caution.